Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, July the 8th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku, well, it's actually a 2 stars. It has 26 printed digits. The killer Sudoku I've solved a minute ago. So, two puzzles remain. The tectonic and the binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 6722. Yeah, 6722. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Yes, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And well, between two ones comes an O. 4. Well, we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. If I place the 5th one here, we still have 3 O's in this 3rd row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. 5 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. And we have here 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. So within 4 minutes, cannot believe this, in 4 minutes. We solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.